Now, you might be listening a lot of things about AI these days, but do you know that Power BI has AI inbuilt into it? Yes, that's right. AI is already inbuilt into Power BI, and it is not a recent fact. It has been there for a long period of time, but not many people know it. Now, whatever the tool or the visual that I'm going to discuss with you is very, very important, and it is a game changer for a person who doesn't know anything about technicalities of Power BI. Let me just show you. Let me just create one more page, and there is an option called Q&A. Can you see this? Just click on this. So what Q&A does is Q&A has various suggestions based on your data. So once you upload the data, you have various suggestions which Power BI, AI which is integrated into Power BI gives you certain suggestions. This kind of analysis you can very well do. So in my previous analysis, we were actually deciding what to be taken in x-axis and what to be taken in y-axis. But here Q&A will allow you to or suggest you to create certain visuals. For example, right now these are the visuals that are being given by Power BI of. So right now these are the visuals or these are the recommendations that are given by the AI inbuilt into Power BI. So it says that total price you can see, total profit you can see, most recent 2023 you can see, maximum discount you can see, right? So these are various options. For example, I'll just select how many states are there. I'll just click here and it will take some time. See, 906 states are there. This is the real essence of interaction. I am just talking with my data and data is giving me certain suggestions. Same way, if I want to see some other option, average discount for each region. So see, it has actually given me the entire visual based on region and discount. So I can clearly see that West Africa has got the maximum discount. So this is by far the most powerful tool or option that is available in Power BI. Now, for example, you don't want to use any of the suggestions. You want to create your own. So if I don't want to do all this hard work, if I don't want to create a visual, then edit it, okay, or edit any which way you need to do, but you don't want to create the visual. Okay, you just want to write it, just like we write on Chat GPT. Same way here, if I write, for example, give me category wise sales. So it is showing me category wise sales. Let us just select it. Let's see whether it gives me the answer or not. So it has given me category wise. Let us just try total sales. Let's see whether it gives me or not. Or let us try some other sales by category. See, it worked. This is the same visual that I created here, but here I actually created by my own. Here, Power BI is actually helping me by just writing text. So this is nothing but text to visual, isn't it? This is the most powerful weapon. Let me just show you something more interesting. For example, if I want to see what is the total sales of United States, I will just write total sales of United States. See, 733.95. Let us check it. We have a, see, 734. So the number that it is giving is perfectly right. This is how Power BI is going to change the way we see data.